speed? What, you nuts?
You know, it's kind of like we were talking about in the beginning. I don't know. Don't try to hide. You might as well embrace it. You've done it all. Turn around and face it. The teachers say the end will never come, but you can't decide. You're burying the seasons. The words are gone every time you're speaking. The king's return. Now where will you reside? Run and hide.
Sentimental raindrops, the tears fall in increments, like incremental pain drops that wash away the stained spots. The Western world is just a hive of scum and villainy. That's why superheroes wear disguises and trilogies. When the future is uncertain, and the wizard's just a man inside the booth behind the curtain, behaving like a serpent, with a bag full of everything except your home. Just remember, be yourself and accept your own, or run and hide.